Hi guys, this is completely random, but I wanted to show you some of these little dash makers I have. So right now today, for the first time using this one, it's the honeycomb mini waffle maker, but I'll have links in the description box if I can find them for these items. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'd make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. I've had this one for a while. This one makes a skull pattern, so it's kind of like a Halloween thing, but we just use it all the time anyway. The honeycomb one I picked up a little bit ago, but I'm just using it now, and my daughter's already eating one of the pancakes, one of the waffles that came out of it. The reason I said pancakes is because I used pancake mix, and I'll show you actually which mix I used. I love King Arthur flour, and I use this confetti pancake mix. This is like $5, and it makes like 8 pancakes, you know? So, not inexpensive stuff, but I opened it last week for my son's birthday, not birthday party, but for his birthday, so I made him confetti pancakes in the morning, and I had some left over because it was just for the little ones. So I made waffles with them this time. So all you do is real easy. You just plug it in. The little blue indicator light will turn on, and when it turns off, that means it's ready to bake, basically, or to cook. So at that point, you put in whatever mix, if you made it from scratch or however. What I like to do, let me open this one and see if it's even close. Yeah, it's not close, I can tell, because it won't even open. It doesn't have a latch or anything, so see the light came on. It'll do that for about 2 minutes when you first plug it in. I actually plugged these both in at the same time, and they both turned off, meaning they're ready to go. So when the light is on, it's warming up. When the light turns off, it's ready. Which is kind of interesting. But, so they both did it exactly the same time. Really cute. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys, if you're interested. Yeah, it's not going to let me open it yet, this one either. So they're both, probably are about a minute and a half and a minute in on baking. This second batch, I already did a batch for my daughter. So I'll come back in a couple minutes. I usually let them go for like 3 to 5 minutes. If it's still steaming, like steam coming out, that's a good indicator that it's still baking, because it's releasing that wetness, right, from the inside of the waffle. So whenever they usually stop steaming, like I don't know if you can see that there's steam coming up here. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. There we go. That to me still means it's indicating it's cooking. I've been making waffles for like 20 years now, so that's just kind of a good indicator that you gotta let it keep going. Also, like this one, I was trying to open it, it wouldn't let me. Like now it's starting to release a little bit, but I'll be back in like a minute or so. Look, see? Ooh. See, that's why I like to get it nice and brown. Listen, you know how crispy that is? Oh, love it. So this one's ready. Oh, I love it. Actually, let me get a little plate here. And then this one, I think I might, did I show this one before? I don't know, but look at that. And on the other side, this one's a little bit different. So this one, where it gets a lot crispy because it has all the little holes. This one is a flat surface because it makes the skull on this side. So yeah, so just, you know, like I said, I like to let them go about 3 to 5 minutes, but, you know, however long or however crispy or brown you like yours. And they just work really well, so I'll close it up, and like this one's ready to go again. This one has the light on, so that means to wait to let it heat up. Now this one's heating up again. So I like to have 2 or 3 going at a time, that way I can make more waffles at once. I do have a big Belgian waffle maker, which is my like all-time favorite, but it's out. I just, you know, to do something fun for the kids, I like to change it up. So no, they're great little machines, and I've had some for years and years and years, and they still work really well. So I really do like Dash as a company. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now. Editing is going to be all over the place. So this is ready. I just want to show you kind of what I do. So I'll get this, and I just fill that bottom well to where it being filled. Usually that's like a 1/4 cup, I guess. And that way you don't get a lot of spillover, because when I first got these, I used to put a lot, like that's plenty. Just fill that up. And it's not like overwhelmingly full, okay? I don't know if you can see that. And then close it up. And that'll keep it from really just like spilling all over the place. Okay? Oh, before I go, I generally don't spray them with anything. They do tell you to spray it with a little cooking spray if you want, so you can do that, but like I said, I don't, and they don't stick. And well, especially with this recipe, there's plenty of oil in the recipe itself. It's basically the powder and water, but to make it waffle mix instead of pancake mix, you add 2 tablespoons of oil per cup of powder that you used, or the mix. So yeah, alright, I just wanted to touch bases on that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have the links in the description boxes that are available, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now. I sit here eating these while I'm making the other batch for my son who's still asleep. They are so crispy. crispy and crunchy it's in. So good, my goodness. I'm impressed.